Hello, first grade. This is Mrs. Ball with your reading lesson for today. For this lesson, you are going to need your Read Your Turn practice book, and you are also going to need Minute 6 from your packet. So you should have this. This is going to be our test for this week, and I know that you guys are going to do extremely well on it. So let's go ahead and get started for today. All right, we are Unit 1, Week 3, Day number 5. Let's manipulate some phonemes or sounds. What is this word? Lip. If I add an F in front of the L, it will be flip. If I change the F to a B, it is blip. If I change the B to a C, my word is clip. If I change the C to a S, my word is slip. If I change that I to a, the word is slap. If I change the S to a F, my word is now flap. If I change the F to a C, my word is clap. If I change the P to my double consonant S, the word is now class. If I change the C to a G, the word is glass. If I change my double consonant S to a D, the word is glad. Repeat after me. I can blend and read words with L blends. All right, let's review. Bull, blanket, clean, full, flower, gloves, pull, playground, slide. Let's read the words. Black, cliff, flag, glad, plan, slip. Let's look at our high frequency words, and you may see some words that we have already discussed. Be, come, good, pull, down, out, up, very, does, not, school, what? Our essential question, what makes a pet special? Let's look at our structural analysis. Let's read the words. This word is flag. If I add an S, it is flags. So that means that there is more than one flag. The word is cat. Add an S, cats. More than one cat. Good job. Clip. If I add an S, the word is clips. That means that there is more than one clip. The word is pig. If I add an S, that means that there is more than one pig. The word is clam. If I add an S, that means that there is more than one clam. It's clams. Now let's read the sentences. The kids have hats and bags. And I bet you guys could read that sentence by yourself if you were blending and if you were taking your time and then going back and reading it fluently. Okay? All those had those plural S. Oh, you can blend this one. And I know you guys know these two words, has and. Mom has maps and hams. Maps and hams have plural S. After today's lesson, I can blend and read words with L blends. Good job. All right, grammar, we're talking about statements. How do you know that the sentence is a statement? It's going to tell a whole idea. You're going to have that capital letter and that punctuation mark. And if it's a statement, the punctuation mark that you're going to use is called a period. Tim and Lan fix a flag. This is a statement. All right, let's look at our mechanics. Capitalization and punctuation. Let's fix each sentence. Remember, sentences have a capital letter and they have a punctuation mark at the end. Cat will put jam in the glass. What's missing? That's right, your period. The pig digs up a can. What is missing? I need an uppercase T, and I need my period. All right, so let's take a moment to look at our page for today. It is in our Your Turn practice book. And in your book, you're going to open it up just like I am doing to page 30. And this is what we're going to be working with today, our draft model. So go ahead and write your first and last name on your paper. Let's read the draft model. We're going to use the questions to help us add describing details. This is our model. This is what we are reading. Tim is the class pet. Tim is a fish. Tim swims fast. So let's think about these questions. Number one, what animal is the writing about? The class pet, which is a fish. What are the describing details? Okay, we know that he swims. How does he swim? He swims fast. What other describing details could you add to the writing? Let's think about that. We could write about the color he is, what color he is. We could talk about if he's a big fish or a small fish. Okay. We could describe, we've already talked about how he swims. So what else could we do? Okay. He might have long fins. He might have short fins. So those are some ideas that can help us with our writing. So let's revise the draft and add more describing details to help readers picture the animal in their minds. So we want to tell more about him so that way when someone reads this, they can imagine what Tim looks like. So you can add more details. We know he's a fish. We know he swims fast. You can add the color, if he's fat or if he's a skinny fish. If he has long fins or short fins, there's just so many different things that you could do to add more about Tim the fish. So I hope you do that. All right, so let's take a look at our grammar for today. And we're going to see what we know. So we're going to find minute number 6. And it is a major grade or a test grade. We're going to write our first and last name on it. And this should be really simple because this is a skill that we have been reviewing. So we're going to read the group of words and circle complete if each group of words is a complete sentence or not complete if it is not. Let's look at our hint. A sentence tells a complete idea and has a naming part and a telling part. Let's look at number one. The dog is black. Is that complete or not complete? It is a complete sentence. I'm going to take my writing tool, which is my pencil, and I'm going to circle the word complete for number one. Number two, the boy. Is that a complete sentence? It is not. So you're going to take your pencil and you're going to circle not complete. You're going to read the rest of the sentences or phrases and you're going to circle whether or not they are complete or not complete. All right, thank you so much. You guys have been awesome. Continue to practice reading and remember everything that we learned this week because we're going to add more to it next week. All right, have an awesome day.